Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max Tasty channel. For this month's theme, I thought it would be fun to take our fourth journey around the world to try to make some more new and exciting recipes. So for this month of April, we will be celebrating Adventurous April for a fourth time, where we'll be making 4 more dishes representing different cuisines from around the world. For our third stop, we will be traveling to Brazil to make some Bala Baianas. For this recipe, you will need 400 grams or 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 lemon's worth of zest and juice, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. This will make about 20 to 25 bonbons, so just as needed. First we'll prepare the coconut filling, so in a saucepan combine the condensed milk, shredded coconut, butter, and lemon zest, and cook this over medium heat, stirring continuously for 10 minutes until the mixture thickens and begins to darken slightly. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Once this has cooled down enough to touch, we'll shape them into balls, so using about a half tablespoon each time, shape the coconut mixture into uniform balls. If you need to, lightly oil your hands to prevent the mix from sticking while shaping your balls. Next, once your balls are shaped to your liking, place them in the fridge while we prepare the caramel coating. So in a small saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Stir this until the sugar dissolves. Then, let this heat over a medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the mixture begins to simmer and turns a golden amber color, or until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Reduce the heat to low to prevent it from burning, then carefully but quickly dip each coconut ball into the caramel, allowing any excess to drip off. Then transfer this to a parchment paper lined tray, and let them rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then once cooled, with that, your Bala Baiana is ready to eat. For our next stop on this year's world tour, I wanted to make something sweet since I always love learning about new forms of candy made only in certain parts of the world. Sweets are always a great way to learn about a culture, since usually they're universally loved. So it's a low-risk way to enjoy a unique piece of a different part of the world. Bala Baiana comes from the northeastern state of Bahia in Brazil, where coconut and sugar are both abundant. While its specific origins are unknown, this sweet treat is likely the result of the combination of African and Portuguese influence in the region. Given that these are made of tasty ingredients, Bala Baianas are popular throughout the region, being sold by street vendors as well as made for birthdays and other celebrations. For any leftovers, these can be kept at room temperature for about a week as long as it's in a sealed container, or you can store it in the fridge for a few weeks. But just make sure to let the Bala Baiana come back to room temperature, since the caramel will be very sticky otherwise. Speaking of, the caramel coating was supposed to be more brittle than chewy, and I'm not really sure why it didn't harden, since I did reach the hard crack temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess I didn't remove enough of the moisture, so I think my lemon was juicier than I realized, and I did get impatient and turned the heat up too much, and the sugar water probably caramelized too quickly. So if you want to have your caramel coating crunchy, like it's supposed to be, I recommend being more patient than me and keeping the temperature consistent. Or if you want to make your candy to be super chewy like taffy, you can cook the caramel coating at a higher temperature like I did by accident. But regardless of if you make your caramel super chewy or crunchy, this Brazilian treat will be a great way to enjoy a sweet taste of South America. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Or until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit.